Create actions in Photoshop is useful to edit several photos with same function set. Save multiple photos to a same size, run auto color function to several photos and save any other function set that you need run for several photos in same way. First click History button at top right corner of workspace. Then check Action menu is available. If not, go to Window menu and click Action or press Alt plus F9 to open Action window. Now you can see the Action window. Then click plus mark at the bottom of the Action window. Then type a suitable name to identify your function set. Then select a function key as you preferred. Then click Record button. If you received a message that selected function key is used for another function, then select another function key. Be careful when choosing a function key to avoid already configured function key. You can select a function key with Shift or Control button. Again, click Record button. Now do the editing that you want. I do auto tone and auto contrast, auto color. After do the required editing, click the Stop button near the red button. Now your action is ready. Undo performed editing from history. Then press the function key that you selected. It's working now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.